Topic. Some people think that academic subjects should be taught at school, while practical skills such as cooking and financial management should be left to parents. Do you agree or disagree? Education plays a vital role in shaping future generations. While some believe schools should focus solely on academic subjects, leaving practical skills to parents, I strongly disagree with this notion and argue that schools should teach both. Firstly, not all parents possess the knowledge or resources to impart practical skills effectively. For example, financial literacy is a complex subject, requiring structured guidance that many parents may not be equipped to provide. Schools, with trained educators and comprehensive curricula, are better suited to deliver such lessons in a standardized and systematic way. Secondly, equipping students with practical skills prepares them for adulthood. Cooking, budgeting, and basic household management are essential life skills that contribute to independence and responsibility. Without such knowledge, young people may struggle when they begin living on their own, regardless of their academic achievements. However, it is undeniable that academic knowledge remains central to intellectual development. Subjects like mathematics, literature, and science build critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The key, therefore, lies in balance. By integrating practical subjects alongside academic ones, schools can provide a holistic education that prepares students for both professional and personal success. In conclusion, leaving practical skills solely to parents is neither fair nor effective. Schools should combine academic and practical learning to produce well-rounded individuals capable of navigating both intellectual and everyday challenges.